Finally, we are here, guys. We're going to be doing the unboxing of the Sacai Vaporwaffles. These are not for resale, these are for my personals. I'm going to keep them just like I kept the foam runners and the Dunkler Off-Whites and also the Jordan 1 mids. So here we are, guys. This is the shoe. I had to put the ring light on just because, I mean, it's bright and sunny right now, but I think I just want to make sure you guys get to see this a little bit in detail. So as you can see, double Nike tick, and yeah, look at the heel. See, double everything. It's about 2 inches. This is, yeah, and then double laces as well. So you get 2 laces. I'll show you. So you get 2 laces coming from here and here as well. You got the tongue as well. Double. So here it is, guys. The shoe, you can see it now a little bit. Yeah, probably in a better angle. So yeah, as I said, double everything, laces, the tick, and yeah, the big fat sole right there. Yeah, materials are very good, and I was very looking forward to this shoe and the release. This was meant to come out last year, but it didn't come out. It got delayed, then it was supposed to come out earlier this year. I think it was in like January, and it got delayed again. Then it came out literally last week, and yeah, there were a couple of raffles, online raffle, which I did manage to win on one of them. And yeah, this was my 4th dub last week. I managed to get the Yeezy sliders, foam runners, and also a dub on the restock of the Yeezy 350 Oreos. So yeah, this was my 4th one. Now in terms of the retail, these were £165, a little bit high, very similar actually to my Off-Whites, because they were £165 as well. And pretty much these are literally like my Off-White in terms of like the value wise right now. That's going about £500. This is about just a little bit like £100 less. And yeah, the previous models did release at retail a little bit less. So this was 165, those were like 155 to 150 pounds. Because everything is now going quite expensive, they had to up the price on this, which yeah, I mean, it was I wouldn't have minded, but only because I'm now keeping it for myself. This is going to be a personal pair. It's a little bit annoying because I have to pay extra £10, but yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter. I love the shoe and it's amazing, and I know I'm not going to get it at this price again. So enough of me talking now. I'm going to try the shoe on and you guys get to see how they look on feet and all the review and everything. My camera's battery is almost finished, so before this cuts, I hope get the full try on of the shoe in. Yeah, so it's very easy to put your feet inside. You're not really going to struggle too much. You got the thing at the back, the little string to hold it, to help you put your feet inside. And again, it's quite comfortable. That's what I've noticed. This cushioning over here feels very soft, and I think I prefer it like that because these are quite chunky shoes, and you want to make sure it's comfortable in every aspect in terms of how you wear it. Right now I'm literally standing on one leg and I'm struggling, so let me just quickly lace this up. It's got 2 laces. You want to make sure you do it properly. You don't want it to be, you don't want it to tangle about. There you go. One more here. Yeah, this can be a little bit tricky when you have 2 laces, but yeah, this feels nice. Now I feel quite comfortable wearing this. I think true to size is fine. Right now I don't really have an issue over here or here because I have quite wide feet, and I went true to size, and it's fine. I don't need to go half size up or even a full size up. They do come up true to size. So yeah, if you are gonna get this, just go with your normal size. It should be okay. Yeah. Now let's go outside and try the see how they look about. Right then, guys, that's it for today. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please leave a like and also subscribe as well. We're almost at 200 subs. We've got to achieve this milestone as quickly as possible. And yeah, other than that, that's it for me. If you've got any questions about reselling or about the shoe or anything like that, or you want to see something specific, please let me know in the comments below, and also be sure to follow me on my Instagram, mons_prnc. But yeah, as always guys, have a nice day and peace.